How do you like a welcome Zoom call with me? Personally, one-to-one, let's get to know each other. Join me on the blueprint and we can arrange that at your convenience. I've just come off a Zoom call with Howard, who's a new customer of mine, and we've got to know each other. We spent over an hour together on the Zoom call, and we were talking about the community we're now both part of. That's another level. We get free mentorship. We're promoting products with 100% profit. He's going to change his life. He is so excited to get on board. His website is going to be up and running within 24 to 48 hours, so he can start earning daily pay. This business works internationally. So if you're looking for an online business, this is it. Listen, I've been running a business for 19 years and I wanted something that brought passive income into my life so I could continue focusing on my current day job, my business, look after my clients. Love working with my clients, but I also love bringing passive income into my life. So if you're someone who's running a small business, whether you're in the UK or anywhere in the world, or you're on a capped income, and to get more money, the only way you can do so is by working overtime. You don't want to be doing that. Christmas is coming. Learn the skills to bring extra income into your life before the end of the year. And also so you can start 2024 on a high and having the skills of digital marketing, promoting a product that pays you 100% profit. A product that you don't have to create yourself. You don't even have to create your own website for this. And we give you the funnels and the emails and loads of training in the community. Free mentorship. You're not alone. With our daily pay program, you are not alone. Drop ready in comments and I'll send you the information.